Hello and welcome. Hope everyone's doing alright. 8:38 a.m. London. As you can see here, UTC +1. Let's have a look. Alright, shadow effects. Now, gold on the contrary, lads. Last video, we were really taking into consideration some of the daily highs and lows. This is what we really need to configure on right now because markets swing into the upside. When we came up to the upside here, and we more or less broke 2,000, I said, guess what? Because this is a 6-month agenda, we're looking at the market to go to 2.4s, and now we've literally just done 2.4s. I was waiting for this more or less to happen before I put this video up. Now, there's one or two smaller short trades yesterday, which I thought was going to, come into 2-3-10s this time. We were in profit for a while, and this is what I would like to just suggest to people: is guys, we're in and out of the game. We haven't even really done our proper launch yet. I've just put the timetable up there, okay, as to what's going to happen from the 15th of April onwards. This, that, and the other, and it just appears that people don't have any life, and the only thing they can do is talk online. Now, let's not be them people. Now we're going into hardcore professionalism with what we do, what we put on the table, this, that, and the other. And in the gold market, especially, we came into some nice profit yesterday on the routine. Now, imagine, I put one or two things out there because people asked me to. Has the gold market obviously been on a bullish trajectory for how long now? Look, you can clearly see it. It's clearly seen. It's clearly seen even on the daily. So let's just open this daily time frame for 1 second. Open up the daily time frame. What we can see is various areas have been taken out, launched into. Here we go. Taken out, launched into. Daily highs, daily highs, daily highs. Let's take those predicaments of daily highs, then we can obviously just copy and paste them onto the smaller time frame, which I'm only really using now, the 90 minute. Okay, 90 minute cycles, so to speak, and also the hourly. That's all we're doing now, because going into high-end swing potentials, and because we hit 2,400, well, more or less just shy of 2,400, and you can go back and watch my videos from 2-3 months ago. What we're looking at today is when the market comes into London, okay, which is now, the next 15-20 minutes, we can see an absolute pullback. For you guys who have not been holding the gold market for, long term, so to speak, since that 6-month candle was there, and it's been, I would say, the last 6 weeks in the bullish territory, there's been one or two trades to the opposite direction, counter trend, so to speak, that, guess what, if you're in a counter trend, you have to take the money out fast and have a good life and have a good weekend. Now, with that being said, there's various instruments that coincide, let's say with XAU, people looking at DXY, this, that, and the other. I don't really do that, those cross correlations. What we'll say on GBP USD though is, I was looking at a push to the upside, changed overnight, squashed overnight, took out all of the volume over here, and now we're looking at going even lower. So what we need to do sometimes, especially in this market, well, in this, how can I explain this? In this trajectory of coming into the second quarter, this, that, and the other, let's look at the weekly. This weekly is going to push lower, but GBP on the weekly is not sustainable to take techs off. So I see 2,448, but I'm taking one step at a time at the moment. I'm not really going to be rushing anything into this first week until next week, the 15th onwards, guys. We're seeing some good movement across the board. Where can gold go right now if we continue this upside momentum? 2,450s, but if not, if we pull back on the lower time frame, okay, on the hourly and the 90 minute, we can start to head back into 2,360s. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up as to what's going on. Yeah, it's all love from there, so not really much else to say. I don't even want to look at Bitcoin. I'm not going to be that guy right now. And yeah, just get ready for Monday onwards, guys, with a timetable,